Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. I'm Sarah, and as always, I've got my co host John with me. How's it going today, John?
Hey Sarah, I'm doing well, thanks. I'm really looking forward to our discussion today. It's all about car body repairs, especially after a crash.
Yes, it's such an important topic. I mean, after an accident, you might think, oh, it's just a little dent, but it's so much more than that, right?
Exactly. We're talking about safety, structural integrity, and even the potential resale value of your car. Skipping professional repairs can lead to some serious issues down the road.
For sure. Professional technicians have the training to spot hidden damages that you might not even notice. I mean, it's like when you ignore that weird squeak in your car. Next thing you know, it's a full-blown disaster.
Right? And it's not just about fixing what you can see. Those pros have access to high-quality materials and the latest techniques. It's like taking your car to the spa.
Ah! Yes, a spa for cars. And let's not forget about insurance claims. Navigating that process can be a headache, but a good repair shop can really help you out.
Absolutely. They know how to deal with insurance companies, which takes a load off your shoulders. Plus, getting those repairs done right can save you money in the long run.
And let's be real, who doesn't want their car to look sharp? A fresh repair can make all the difference. You feel great driving a car that looks good.
Exactly. So folks, if you've been in an accident or have some minor damage, don't wait. Get those professional repairs done. Your car and your wallet will thank you.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We hope you found this chat helpful. Until next time, drive safe.